Nikola Tesla. Nikola Tesla was an engineer and scientist known for designing the alternating current electric system. He also created the Tesla coil, which is still used in radio technology. Family. Nikola Tesla was born in Croatia on 10 July 1856. Tesla was one of five children. Tesla's mother name was Juka Mandic. Tesla's interest in electrical invention was comes from his mother. His mother invented small household appliances while her son was growing up. Tesla's father, Milutin Tesla, was a Serbian Orthodox priest and a writer, and he pushed for his son to join the priesthood, but Nikola was interested in sciences. Education. Tesla attended primary school in Smiljan, where he studied German, arithmetic, and religion. In 1870, Tesla moved to Karlovac to attend high school at Higher Real Gymnasium. Tesla was interested in demonstrations of electricity by his physics professor. Tesla was able to perform integral calculus in his head. After studying at Polytechnic Institute in Graz, Austria, he moved to Budapest, where he worked at the Central Telephone Exchange. Career. In 1884, Tesla arrived in the United States. He came with little more than the clothes on his back, and he took a letter of introduction to famed inventor Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison's DC based electrical work were fast becoming the standard in the country. Edison hired Tesla for making improvements to Edison's inventions. After several months, they parted ways due to conflicting business scientific relationship. First solo venture. In 1885, Tesla received funding for the Tesla Electric Light Company and was tasked by his investors. Research work. Nikola Tesla was a scientist whose inventions include the Tesla coil, alternating current, electricity, and the discovery of the rotating magnetic field. Tesla discovered, designed, and developed ideas for a number of important inventions, most of which were officially patented by other investors. He was pioneer in the discovery of radar technology, X-ray technology, remote control, and the rotating magnetic field. In 1895, Tesla designed first AC hydroelectric power plants in the United States at Niagara Falls. It was used to power the city of Buffalo, New York. This was highly published in throughout the world and becomes world's power system. In 19th century, Tesla patented the Tesla coil, which laid the foundation of wireless technology and still used in radio technology today. The heart of an electric circuit, the Tesla coil, is an inductor used in many early radio transmission antennas. This coil works with capacitor to resonate current and voltage from a power source across the circuit. In 1903, Tesla began to work on the free energy, but due to some reasons, he had no choice to cancel that project. Nikola Tesla died on 7 Jan 1943 in New York City. Thank you.